Hello friends, welcome to Determination. In this question, you have to find out the equation of current for t greater than 0. So let's begin. At t is equal to 0 minus, the circuit attains steady state and hence the inductor will act as a short circuit. So the circuit at t equal to 0 minus will comprise of only the 1 volt source and 2 ohm resistor, and the current flowing in the loop is IL of 0 minus. So we can write that IL of 0 minus is equal to 1 by 2, which is equal to 0.5 ampere. Since inductor does not allow instantaneous change in current, so IL of 0 plus will be equal to IL of 0 minus, which is equal to 0.5 ampere. Now by applying KVL for the circuit at t greater than 0, that is this circuit, we get 2 sine of 2t plus 30 is equal to 2I plus di by dt. So this is a first order linear differential equation, and we know that the solution of a linear differential equation comprises of a complementary function and a particular integral. The complementary function is the transient state response of the system, whereas the particular integral is the steady state response of the system. Now to find out the transient state response, that is the complementary function, we have to equate the differential equation to 0. Therefore 2I plus di by dt is equal to 0. The solution of this equation is it is equal to k e raised to minus 2t. This is because if we are having a differential equation of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to 0, we can write its solution as y is equal to k e raised to minus pt. So let's name this as equation number 1. Now let's find out the steady state response of the system. So the equation is 2 sine 2t plus 30 is equal to 2I. Now instead of di by dt we will write j omega l, where omega is equal to 2 radian per second and omega l is the impedance form of the inductor. So 2is, where is the steady state current, plus 2j into is. Therefore is is equal to 2 sine 2t plus 30 divided by 2 plus j2, which is equal to sine 2t plus 30 divided by root 2 angle 45. This is the polar form of 1 plus j. Hence is will be equal to 0.707 sine of 2t plus 30, and when the angle goes up it will be minus 45 degree. Hence the total current will be the sum of the transient current and the steady state current. Therefore I is equal to it plus is, which is equal to k e raised to minus 2t plus 0.707 sine of 2t minus 15. Now to find out k, we will put t is equal to 0, and at t is equal to 0, I is 0.5 ampere. Therefore 0.5 is equal to k plus 0.707 sine of minus 15. Hence we get k is equal to 0.683. Hence I is equal to 0.683 e raised to minus 2t plus 0.707 sine of 2t minus 15 degree. So this is the equation of the current for t greater than 0.